Chemistry 1110 is an overview of the study of chemistry. And chemistry is the study of matter and changes in that matter. And so we're going to think about things in terms of how a chemist does, and that is by considering everything that has mass and occupies space as matter. And we're going to use an atoms first approach, so therefore we are going to think in terms of the atoms that make up all materials. So one of the things that scientists do is they classify things so that they can all talk about the same groups. And the first is a simple classification of matter into a substance and a mixture. And a substance is a pure material that has a definite composition and specific property.